everyone, welcome to our second cooking blog for MIFWA. We'll talk about what we've been cooking and what we've been putting together, Marsha and I. But first of all, I want to introduce you to another MIFWA team member.
Hi, I'm Marsha from the finance team and I'm the accountant.
What we're trying to do is make simple recipes with simple ingredients but lots of flavour, because that's where we get our enjoyment from eating, is from, you know, the flavour that we taste. Alright, so I'm going to talk about what I've prepped today. So to keep in with time, so I've prepared chicken thighs. This is 3 chicken thighs and I've marinated it in ketchup mayonnaise, which is a sweet soy sauce, and garlic strips that you can see, and garlic and ginger strips. So that's been marinating for about half an hour. And then over here, because we're going to pan fry them and then we're just going to wrap them, make wraps, I have chopped up coriander, I've chopped up mint, tomato and red onion, which we can eat raw. And this is just greens, so it's a simple garden salad with beetroot tops, so you can see there's a bit of red in there, and then we can put it all together when we're finished cooking. This is the garlic that's in the chicken thighs, and that's the size of the ginger strips. Okay, so this is our oil. There's about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. So we're going to preheat our pan. When that gets really hot, we'll add our chicken thighs to it and cook it relatively quickly. Last time we cooked chicken breasts, but chicken breasts dry out really quickly, so it doesn't take long to cook. This will take a little bit longer. So we'll just wait for our pan to heat up. Okay, so the pan is hot now and it's starting to sizzle. So we'll add our chicken now with all the yummy garlic and ginger bits. Oh, it's starting to smell yum. As they say on cooking shows, it's a shame we can't smell what's cooking. So we'll just let that fry off for a bit, stirring as we go. So here we are. This is just about cooked now. Marsha and I are going to share one, aren't we, Marsha?
Yeah.
So we'll turn the heat off. Okay, so here's our souvlaki, which we have warmed in a bit of foil. And here's our chicken. So all we're going to do, you know what we could do? We could add a bit of our yogurt as a dressing. Isn't that what they do with souvlakis? They do all of this stuff first. So we'll add a little bit. And then we'll carry on adding our chicken. So you don't need a whole heap. The chicken has got the lovely flavour of the ginger and the garlic. See, that's heaps for one souvlaki. And if you have a look at what's left, you could get quite a few. So if you are feeding your family, you know, there's at least 4 souvlakis there. Marsha and I have decided to put a little bit of cheese. So we're adding a bit of cheese to our souvlaki. And then we're going to add a little bit of tomato. And a little bit of onion. I don't know about Marsha, but I don't like too much onion. Just for flavour, really. A little bit of mint little bit, Joyce. And a little bit of coriander. And finally, our lettuce. And there's our souvlaki, that's done. So, we need to roll it. Good luck with that, Joyce. Roll it up. And cut it in half. And there you have your souvlaki. Thanks, guys. We'll be back with our buffalo chicken wings. Our other dish that Marsha and I have prepared. This is buffalo cauliflower wings. And the recipe as well will be at the end of the video. This is the dipping sauce for it. It's yogurt with mayonnaise and dill and parsley, and to cleanse the palate there's some celery sticks. So we prepared this in earlier because of the time that it would take for us to show you, but it's very simple. It's just simply, you know, getting your cauliflower, dipping it into floury sauce that we make, like a bit of a batter, and then baking it in the oven and dipping it. So thanks, guys. Thanks so much for joining Marsha and I. And we look forward to seeing you next month. And Marsha will be the cook and I will be her assistant. So take care. Bye.